In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a file in Facebook Messenger using a laptop. First, open a browser on your laptop. Any modern browser will work fine, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, because sending files depends on your upload speed. When the browser window opens, you should see the usual address bar at the top, ready for you to type a web address. Next, go to Messenger or open Facebook and click the Messenger icon. If you type facebook.com in the address bar and press enter, the Facebook homepage will load. Once it opens, look at the top right corner for the small Messenger speech bubble icon. Click it, and a Messenger panel or full page will appear, showing your recent conversations on the left and the selected chat on the right. Now log into your account. If you are not already signed in, Facebook will ask for your email address or phone number and your password. Type them carefully, since a single wrong character will prevent you from logging in. After you sign in, you will be taken to your Facebook home, and the Messenger icon will still be at the top right, ready to open your messages. From there, open the chat with the person you want to send the file to. In the Messenger view, you will see a list of people and groups on the left side. Click the name or conversation of the person who should receive the file. The chat history will appear in the main area, and at the bottom you will see the message box where you usually type messages. Seeing the past messages is a good sign that you have the right chat. With that ready, click the plus button or attach file paperclip icon near the message box. Look just below the conversation, beside where you would type your message. You will see small icons there. The paperclip icon or a plus symbol is what opens your file picker. Once you click it, your laptop should immediately open a new window showing your folders and files. Now select the file from your laptop. You can browse through your folders on the left and click into them on the right. Find the exact document, PDF, zip file, or other supported file type you want to send. A quick tip, you can usually change the view to see details like size and type, which helps confirm you picked the right file. Click once on the file name so it is highlighted. After that, click Open. This tells Messenger to attach the chosen file to your message. The file name will now appear above the message box in Messenger, often with a small thumbnail or icon that matches the file type. That visible attachment is your confirmation that the file has been selected. Next, wait for the file to upload. You may see a small progress indicator or a spinning icon beside the file. Larger files and slower internet connections will take longer. Avoid closing the browser tab while this is happening, or the upload can fail and you would need to repeat the attachment step. Once the progress finishes, the file will appear ready in the chat box area. Finally, click Send. The message will immediately appear in the conversation with the file attached, and you may see a small sent checkmark beside it. The other person can now click to download or open that file directly from the chat. You have now learned how to send a document or other supported file to someone using Facebook Messenger on your laptop. So if this helped you share your file, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.